Cuban turkey dinner. Yummy. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm excited. I'm making an untraditional turkey dinner. It's a 3-pound turkey breast and I made a complete dinner. It came out super good. So if you want to do something different on Thanksgiving or any other holiday, you can try this. So let me show you how I made it. So first I'm going to start off with a 3-pound turkey breast. I'm going to make a really nice citrus marinade for my turkey breast. So first of all, up in the corner, I have olive oil. This is a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm also going to use a 1/2 cup of fresh squeezed orange juice. I'm going to use 3 limes and 2 lemons. I'm also going to use a bunch of cilantro, whatever you can get in the palm of your hands. These are 4 garlic cloves. I'm going to use 2 envelopes of Sazon seasoning, the one that says Con Azafran. And these are my spices. I'm using 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And this is called Sofrito. I'm using a 1/4 cup. This is homemade Sofrito, but you can buy it in a jar in the Hispanic section of the supermarket. It's a common staple put into a lot of Caribbean dishes. Makes everything taste so good. Now let's start making our marinade. You're going to put all your citrus in a bowl. Your lemons, your limes, your orange juice. Next, you're going to chop up your cilantro, nice and small. And you're going to add that to your citrus. This is my garlic and my olive oil, sofrito, my seasonings, and my 2 envelopes of Sazon. Now, Sazon, you can buy it at the market in the Hispanic section as well. Now I'm going to give this a nice stir, and this is a very good marinade. So now I'm going to get a gallon-sized bag, and this is my turkey breast. It comes with a netting. Do not remove the netting. Add your marinade and then just let it sit and marinate for at least 1 hour. I left it on my countertop. After 1 hour, this is what you get. It's a nice, beautiful color. I'm going to add some vegetables. I added Yukon gold potatoes, celery, and carrots. This is going to be a complete meal. You're going to see that you have extra leftover marinade. Pour it all over your vegetables and your turkey. I'm telling you, it gives it such a good flavor. Now I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven, and it bakes for at least 1.5 hours all the way to 2 hours. Make sure the internal temperature is 165. And this is what you end up with. This is a beautiful meal. So you're going to remove the netting. And I took 2 of the tongs and then I moved it onto my baking dish. And I'm serving it with some black beans and rice. I will have a recipe on how to make black beans and rice. And then there's my vegetables. This is a complete meal. And then you slice your turkey breast and you serve it with the black beans and rice. This is a really good meal. It's different. Think out of the box. 1 year you can do this for Thanksgiving. It comes out super tasty. So if you like citrusy chicken, you'll love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.